Are you moving to Nashville, Tennessee and only want new custom construction? Today you're in luck because we have a doozy for you and we're gonna check it out right now. Let's go. Okay, so today the house is behind me here. It's a little windy outside, so I'm sitting in my car to tell you about it. But we are in Green Hills, and so you're south of Nashville, very close to I-440, which is that loop that takes you all the way around the city. Very close to the Green Hills Mall, all the grocery stores, all the shopping that area provides for you, and you're just very close to everything you need in downtown or the cool areas of Nashville. This house is in the middle of two other brand new homes, and so just a beautiful home here. But I'm Scott Hardesty. If this is the first time to my channel, we're out here every single week creating content just for you. So hit the subscribe button if you like our content, the bell, the notification, so you're alerted every time we put out new content. But let's talk about this home here. I want you to see the outside of it here as I give you the specs. So this one is 6 beds, 6 full baths, 2 half baths, over 8,000 square feet, so 8,778 square feet. This place is huge and it's just truly luxurious. You have 3 floors. I'll be interested to see what your favorite part of this home is. It just has so much to offer. A beautiful flat backyard. You're on almost an acre lot, 0.89 acres. I can't wait for you to see this home. It's just hardwood floors throughout. You have a screen-in porch on the main level, and then downstairs you have another porch that takes you right out to the backyard. Can't decide what my favorite part of this house is. Can't wait to hear from you what your favorite is. Let's go check this out. Before we do, I'm gonna put my email and my phone number right here at the bottom. And before we go inside this home, schedule your one-on-one consultation with me now. I'd love to help you find your next home here in Nashville. Let's go check this beauty out. Living room here. So I like this. It's connected to the outside porch area. So I think you're gonna really like this one. Downstairs here and then the upstairs over there as well. Got the back porch right here. And then you have the bath, the primary bedroom back here. I think you'll like this one. so this is the upstairs. think about that beautiful home? I can't decide if it was the screen and porch on the main level or just that whole downstairs area that had, you know, a little, it would be a man cave for me. I don't know what you would call it, but just that little private room in the back, or the office area, that just the cool textures in that room. I love everything about this house. Comment below, what do you think about it? And you know, again, we're out here every single week making videos for you. Hopefully this gives you an idea of what's happening in the Nashville market, in the luxury market specifically. It gives you ideas on, you know, what designers are doing, what builders are doing. And as much as we love making these videos, we love even more helping people find their next home here in Nashville. So give us a call. Can't wait to meet you. And I'll see you next time on That Nashville Life. Later.